for generations. We've shared the same sky. The sky has always belonged to all of us. Tonight, this song belongs to you. Dreamers, builders, teachers, families. Every journey begins with hope. One dream can cross oceans, one heart can change tomorrow. Take one step, share one light with one soul. Together, anything is possible. One sky, one moon, one dream, one dream. Walk with us, one sky. Dream with us, one moon. Grow with us, one dream, one dream. Walk with us, dream with us, grow with us. You already belong,
One family,
one family,
one tomorrow.
family, one. A child looks upward, a parent smiles, friends laugh beneath the stars. Someone dreams, someone builds, someone sings. Tomorrow begins today. Different lives, one shared sky. AdMerk Spaceship, a journey we all share. Not for one nation, for everyone. The sky has always belonged to all of us. One sky,
One moon,
one dream,
walk with us.
one sky,
Dream with us,
one dream,
grow with us.
one sky,
One moon,
one dream.
walk with us.
One sky, one dream,
Teachers,
dreamers.
every heart has a place.
You already belong,
You already
you already belong.
will build tomorrow together.
Dreamers,
Every heart has a place.
you already belong,
You already
belong.
will build tomorrow.
Together, 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 together. Somewhere tonight, someone looks up. A child, a parent, a friend, a dreamer. They all see the very same moon without knowing they're ready. Walking the same journey. One sky, one dream. You already belong. One sky, one dream. One sky, one dream. Every village has a song.
Every family has a story.
place in your heart, then your journey has already begun, because you already belong.
Join people from every corner of the world who believe the future
Is something
we build
together.
Visit
Tim.live. Become
a
founding explorer. You already belong.
follow
Every milestone, every breakthrough, every step of our shared journey.
You're not
Joining,
a mailing list,
you're joining
a worldwide community
of dreamers, builders, teachers, artists, families, engineers, musicians, explorers.